ENDURON Orbital Screens are Weir Minerals' next generation of circular motion and elliptical motion sand aggregate screens, designed for modularity, ease of maintenance and long service life. ENDURON Orbital Screens are used in continuous duty wet and dry sand aggregate processes, including product sizing, general classification, recycling and washing. One of the main design choices we've made is to remove welding from the main screen body. This removes one of the main failure modes of vibrating screens, which is high stresses in welded joints. Secondly, we have designed the screens with the widest operating window out of any screen in the sand aggregate industry, hereby eliminating failures associated with natural frequencies, which is often associated with vibrating screens. One of the main benefits of the ENDURON Orbital range of screens is that we have applied modularity and configurability throughout the entire detail of the vibrating screen. It can accommodate both modular flat deck and side section crown deck on the same deck structure. This allows for even more flexibility as operating conditions change. ENDURON Orbital screens come in both horizontal and inclined configurations. Modularity is at the heart of the design of our ENDURON Orbital range of vibrating screens. Decks, crossbeams, exciters, they are all interchangeable within certain model sizes. With 3 single shaft and 3 double shaft exciters, we are able to drive our full range of ENDURON Orbital vibrating screens. Bearings, seals and shaft are all interchangeable between both the single and double shaft exciter models. Further decreases the amount of spares our customers need to keep in stock. All our ENDURON Orbital screens are EN 1009 compliant, meaning that operators can access the screening media in multiple deck applications. Due to the all-bolted design, various parts can be individually replaced without the need to strip down the entire machine. Our ENDURON Orbital screens are also digitally enabled, allowing the operator to measure exciter temperatures and vibration levels. Our ENDURON Orbital screens are competitive due to a design philosophy that takes advantage of global sourcing, parts commonality, and automated manufacturing processes. Lighter but stronger. This has been one of the main design philosophies when we engineered ENDURON Orbital vibrating screens.